Hello, I'm Mateo with the Explora internship program, and I'm here to show you a quick, easy experiment you can do with materials you have at your house. You're going to need just a few materials, some dish soap, some milk, and then food dye any colors, and just a container to hold the dish soap. First off, make sure to pour the milk into whatever container you're using. For this experiment, we will be using whole milk, but whatever milk you have available is fine. Then you're going to pour the food dye into the milk, whatever pattern you want, and if you don't have food dye, watercolor works great. And then just pour it into whatever pattern you like, anything that makes a cool shape. Now take a toothpick or just drop some soap into the center of the milk. What do you notice happen? Now this experiment works because the dish soap interrupts the surface tension of the milk, causing the food dye to move rapidly away into the sides, leaving behind the cool pattern we see. I've been Mateo with the Explora internship program, and make sure to share if you tried this at home.